Wednesday, May 18th, 2016. And this is the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV Channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable nationwide, Wazobia Max HF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. This is that Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action to where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, give you license to talk them the way anything be for body, so that those who the leaders go do waiting, hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwote. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu will stay concerned the political matter. As it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to today's edition of our Ogbonge program as the hot. That political program where they do it with the information now with different political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Well, today we'll go different. We'll give the trending matter where they go on, the strike matter where they go on, and also give them updates on how the whole thing play out yesterday. We've been Tuesday between NLC and the federal government. We also open our phone line so that at least now if you contribute now on quarter to the discussion, so that as they always talk, we will collectively know as we take duty. Move this country forward because Nigeria is not anybody country. Now collectively now we all get them. When that time reach, we will do it. We go open our phone lines. My name is change. My name is Nankubi, and this now as it is hot.
You see the way where you take even start. Nigeria not be anybody country. Is it not obvious?
Chukudi.
No, excuse me. No, excuse me. You don't talk your own. I talk my own.
What prompts this dress?
Thank you very much.
What we try solid.
Thank you very much.
What do you mean solidarity?
As a comrade.
Oh, now comrade you be now.
As a comrade.
You not have military background, not military be again.
That one different.
Comrade.
It's a different thing.
Comrade.
Who is a comrade?
Oh,
a comrade is somebody on the side of the people. A comrade is somebody on the side of the people. Who could be today, See, let me tell you something.
If not, I will comment that car from your head very soon.
You won't comment with it?
I will comment.
You dare not.
No, they claim what you
dare not.
You're not. In fact, who dash you comrade?
I'm a comrade.
Who dash you comrade?
I speak for the people.
I also speak for the people here.
I fight for the people.
I fight for the people here.
You are fighting for them.
You don't even make me throw spit.
You are fighting for politicians.
I don't like this.
The people that are running this country anyhow.
Yeah, you know they have sense of dress here.
Which sense of dress?
We say we agree on.
Which agree?
Suit and this thing.
Suit what?
Let's go behind curtain.
I cannot be wearing suit when Nigerians are groaning under economic pressure. I cannot be wearing suit when Nigerians are facing financial strain.
They hold yesterday.
Which meeting?
You said the meeting somehow. Can't they divided?
Somehow.
Can't they divided between labor groups? I don't understand.
Who bring division enter inside labor? Who bring division enter inside labor?
Ask labor who bring division.
Who they dialogue? Who they negotiate? Who don't go court?
Why
don't go court?
Who get two factions?
Who don't go court?
Two factions for labor.
Who caused the division inside labor?
Are you asking me? Ask yourself.
As a comrade, I stand here to tell Nigerians today.
Talk who? You're a comrade.
That we are not going to accept it.
No, talk who caused the division.
Thank you very much.
If not talking, that president will get problem.
Thank you very much. It's very clear.
Because already don't they take a money.
Excuse me, let me land. NLC.
You're not hanging before.
We know the gimmicks.
What are the gimmicks?
We know the shady deals.
What are the shady deals?
We know the backyard
What are the backyard runs?
Of the political class.
Oh.
And as a comrade...
That one go stop NLC, make them not do what they're supposed to do.
Thank you very much.
Why they will get division?
NLC, Nigeria Labour Congress, the mother body, made up of over 40 unions.
We will know about, yes.
2005, who created TUC, Trade Union Congress.
Okay.
It was done by the government to do what? To deplete, to weaken.
Bastard.
Allow me. Will you allow me to land?
Will never see their
will you allow me to land? Person will not recognize before. Comrade Joe Ajero.
Are you another faction?
What is that supposed to mean?
Joe Ajero faction.
How do we have Joe Ajero faction? How do we have Joe Ajero faction?
Let us know the cause we are fighting for.
What cause are you fighting for?
Just divide the nation. Let us know what you are fighting for.
Who is dividing the nation? Who is dividing labor? Who is dividing labor?
Not what you agree with this.
Who is dividing labor? 86 naira 50 kobo to 145 naira. How is it possible? Salary no increase. lights no dey, road dey bad, insecurity.
No be same labor.
Senators dey buy cheap.
Don't tender this.
Then they collect allowance.
Give federal
the
government.
same salary wey Jonathan ministers dey collect. Na this particular one dey collect. And you are telling me you want to increase PMS to 145 naira when we don't get that for this country. Everything we do in this country is tied to PMS. How can you go and negotiate with a faction of the NLC? Do you care about the
problem is? Let us
we are going to stand against this and we are going to fight against this.
Hold on.
Solidarity forever. Aluta continua. Victoria Asata. Veni VDC.
Nobody talks to make Aluta no continue.
Veni VDC.
Nobody talks to make Aluta. Yes, welcome back. The program I ask it hot, and on today's matter, what do they look? Will they look the strike or no strike matter with on ground? Which one will they accept? Which one will they stick on? They are very much aware. Say yes, federal government and the Labour Congress do it. They hold meeting yesterday, and in the course of the meeting, they no reach agreement. And the course of the meeting, the Ayuba Waba faction of the NLC can do it. Come work out, come out. On to say waiting. On to say that they talk say look, the Joe Ajero faction say no be recognized group at all. As a result of that, they can't work out, come out. Now because your blood say the settlement or rather the continuation of the meeting can't they be strictly between the federal government and the Joe Ajero faction of the NLC. So now what you call they look at if NLC as a body we say supposed they together, can't they do it? Can't they get division? Well, who can hold on to? We go fight for
divide NLC?
Who will hold on to?
Who divide NLC?
Who is still there?
Who divide NLC?
They find who divide NLC.
That is the question.
Why would they try
that is the question. Which matter you want sort?
NLC divide?
Which matter you want sort?
Why will NLC?
Why are you running away from the essence of the discussion and running into something else?
What am I running?
How will you increase PMS from 86 naira 50 kobo to 145 naira without providing palliatives? Salary remain the same. People know they collect salary.
The same salary.
Have salary. No salary. 18K minimum wage.
When they
ministers they collect gigantic allowance.
What's the proposal? Where NLC
why they not take the action of the proposal?
Okay.
Why not take the action of the proposal? You don't increase salary. Lights no day. You don't increase money for fuel. How is it possible? 145 minus 86 naira 50 kobo. You want to take it step by step, you don't go court. You want to take it step by step, you don't go court. You and your wife they quarrel. Before una even discuss, una they negotiate. You don't go report to landlord. How is that even possible?
And you can't see me.
He shows insincerity.
In who?
He shows insincerity, insecurity on the part of the federal government.
So let us address
solidarity forever. Victoria Asata.
You said they bring a flag. You said
Veni VDC.
I got my own flag.
See, the color of your flag is not even fake. The color of your flag is fake.
No, green is green.
Now Cameroon flag you carry.
Green is green.
Green is not green.
Green is green.
This is Ewedu green.
No.
This is the real green.
This is the lighter green. This is the natural green.
This is the real green.
This is the natural green.
You carry Cameroon flag.
You are carrying the flag green.
You are waving Cameroon flag and discussing Nigeria issue.
Don't come and insult a national flag.
500 billion for the poorest poor. You never give the poorest poor the money. You don't even they put more problem on top of their neck.
Chukudi.
How is it possible? Don't call my name. Address issue. Solidarity forever. Aluta continua. Victoria Asata. Veni VDC. We are not going to accept it. You don't call my name. Now my name is the answer to the question. You want to inject 350 billion naira into the economy. Inject it first. You want to pay 5,000 to poor people. Pay them first. You want to repair lights. Repair it first. Don't increase money for fuel.
All these things should be in place. I doubt you.
Why you can't come here and follow me to argue? Why you going to talk say strike or no strike? Why you can't come here and tell me say strike or no strike? How is it possible?
Listen. In this case, let us make we address this matter the way we supposed to address.
You don't go court. You are person that negotiate. You don't let it go court. You are person that negotiate. You don't go court. How is it possible? How is it possible?
To charge the cost for
solidarity forever. Victoria Asata. Aluta continua. Veni VDC.
Let me talk.
What are you talking?
Let me talk.
What do you want to talk?
Let me talk.
What do you want to talk?
Let me talk.
What do you want to talk?
Let me talk.
5,000 naira for poor people. Pay them first before you pay money for fuel.
They don't implement that now.
They won't
very
do
soon.
Give us date.
You know your federal government talk.
Give us date.
You know your federal government
give us date.
I think let us
give us date.
As long as that promise has been made.
All we are saying.
Chukudi.
Give us the date. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.